Good morning, ma'am. My name is Riyan Reddy. I am studying KGD. My school name is JSS Public School. I am studying story. Today I am telling a story. Unity is my strength. Unity is my strength. In a home, two brothers are there. Always they each other, fighting each other. Mother want to teach lesson one. One stick to one other. He brought one easily. One more stick to another other. He will break the sticks easily. Mother gave one bundle of